Men may want to take note. Your brain could be aging faster than you thought. A major new international study is challenging long-held assumptions about how male and female brains age and what that means for Alzheimer's risks. Now, this new study suggests men's brains may age faster than women's, even though women are nearly twice as likely to develop Alzheimer's disease. The research, published in the journal Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, analyzed brain scans for more than 4,700 adults, between the ages of 17 and 95. All of whom were healthy and showed no signs of dementia. Scientists found that male brains showed greater shrinkage and decline across more regions than female brains, pointing to faster overall brain aging. The sharpest difference was seen in the postcentral cortex, the area which is responsible for touch, pain, temperature, body awareness, which declined by about 2% per year in men as compared to 1.2% in women. Men also showed more deterioration in regions linked to memory, learning, vision, movement. Women, however, were not immune to brain changes, of course. Researchers found greater expansion of fluid-filled cavities called ventricles, a known marker of brain tissue loss in female brains. Experts say the findings complicate the long-standing theory that women develop Alzheimer's simply because their brains age faster. Instead, scientists saying the disease is driven by toxic protein buildups, with aging making the brain less able to cope with their effects. Other research pointing to possible biological explanations behind women's higher Alzheimer's risk, including inflammation linked to a gene carried on the X chromosome and the loss of estrogen after menopause. Having said that, researchers also cautioning that the study tracked participants for only a few years and does not predict who will go on to develop Alzheimer's. But the findings do add a new layer to a growing puzzle and suggest brain aging, much like the disease itself, may not follow a one-size-fits-all path. So while aging may be inevitable, of course, how our brains age and why is proving to be far more complex than once thought. And for scientists, the race to understand those differences is far from over. To stay up to speed with the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.